Smithy's Corner. It's really great. Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Matt.
Where's Michael?
He is away.
Woo! He's on holiday.
Is
a well-deserved holiday.
Absolutely.
We've got the best understudy ever.
Doing my best. So far, so good.
Yeah, what are we doing? This is Smithy's Corner.
It is indeed. So in a new installment, I have been fortunate enough, Joe has allowed me to select 3 pieces for this episode.
Fantastic. What is Smithy's Bullion?
So Smithy is, as the name may suggest, a silversmith. So he does artisanal hand-poured bullion items.
Yep.
So they are quite literally works of art.
They are
silver.
works of art, absolutely, and they're awesome. And we do it almost every week, and he kindly lets us sell them through Bullion Now.
He does indeed. So
all right.
do you want to start with the map of Australia?
Absolutely.
So
now,
this is one that we have seen before, I believe, in a previous video.
we have in one of the first ones, and but it was not like this one.
No, it was not indeed. So this is an old classic with a twist, you might say.
An old classic with a new old classic with a twist. The last ones we had were just kind of straight silver looking, if that makes sense. But this one has got, look at the swirls on that.
So is that the technical term? That's something I'd like to know, Joe. Is this something where are we eligible to coin a phrase, or can a viewer perhaps coin a phrase for this? Or is that is there a term for that? Like a technical term for the swirling on a...
That's a great question. I'm just going to call it swirling. I might actually, before you touch that thing, I'm going to get Ruben, who's just in... Oh, you got one?
I think I'm not prepared, Joe.
The guy comes prepared
I've learned
and
from
everything.
The best.
Well, you didn't learn from Michael because he has to get thrown a glove by Ruben in the background. Mate, that is great. Let's have a look.
Let's have a little look.
And it, of course, comes with its matching certificate as well.
That is it. That is number 34 there.
Number 34, and it's a 5-ounce bar.
It looks incredible on this side as well. That's another sort of different texture altogether.
Yeah. Number 34, that's beautiful. That's swirling, and I've forgotten the technical term of the, I don't know what to call it, but the charcoal look, what do you call it? I forgot it. I don't know. Michael would know that term. I just don't remember the term.
Well, hopefully we get inundated in the comments section with helpful information on this.
So 5 troy ounces right there on the left-hand side, right there, and Smithy's Bullion logo. That is just beautiful. Now, if people are interested, I'll give them the quick spiel on this. All of these are available. The premium on these are not like your regular bullion. You are paying spot plus 40% plus the GST on top of that. But it's because they're works of art, mate.
Absolutely. And following on from this one, before we go on, actually, I think we should see, if we get enough interest, I would like to see Smithy do a little Tasmania, because it's my favourite state.
Okay.
It's always missing out. So
is that because someone's from there? Or?
No, I'm not. I'm just a huge fan.
Oh, cool.
It's my favourite place to visit in Australia, and it never gets a look in on these types of things.
Well,
so
here's the question: do we want Smithy to make one that's roughly of similar size? But instead of, or do we want him to make one that's just to scale? We could just kind of stick it there.
A little add-on to the series.
Yeah.
Or maybe just who knows? Maybe just a 1-ounce Tassie will do the trick.
Yeah.
But at any rate, we'll move on to the next one along here, which this jumped out at me as soon as I had a peek in the box. The Viking Warrior. This seems like the kind of thing, Joe, that if you had the home for it, this would be a nice front door piece.
Oh, that's actually a great idea.
Imagine that.
And that's the question is that hiding in plain sight, or is that almost like a hood ornament on the front of a car?
Yeah, absolutely.
I have owned an old Mercedes in my day, and I've owned 2 old Mercedes previously.
Really?
Both times the thing at the front got yanked off.
All right, well, don't put it on your car, but so you maybe have if your home is set back from the street.
Yeah.
I'm calling it.
That's a great idea.
I would love to see that.
That's a great idea. Let's pick this one up and we'll take a look.
Go.
Yeah,
that is super cool.
That's cool. I'll see if I can get the 3D nature of that. If you can turn it. So this is number 2.
This is number 2.
It's a 500 gram.
Get the effect there.
Half a kilo. Beautiful. It's like your own little turntable there. That is just cool.
It is.
Yeah, Viking Warrior.
Yeah, something you don't see every day, and even in the Smithys range, this is a bit of a first. It's reminiscent a little bit of that eagle in terms of size and scale, but yeah, I love it. I love the the relief on the Viking. That's
Absolutely,
great.
yeah, that's really cool. So the Viking Warrior, and it is half a kilo. Okay, again, spot, in grams, we'll figure that out. Plus 40% plus GST on top of that, and finally,
here we go. For those that are into the road trip and lifestyle,
there's a lot of people that are.
Exactly, and particularly now more than ever, the combi van, and with that kind of toning, it's incredible.
Yeah, we've seen I saw one come through the store, but we didn't put it on Smithy's Corner, but it was just in the regular silver. But this one's the special
7 ounce
tone. Oh, it's 7 ounce.
Yeah,
cool. That's wicked. I love the odd numbered stuff.
Yeah, something a bit different again.
Yep. So a 7 ounce, numbered 13. That is 7 ounce. Toned, coloured, if you want to call it that. Combi van.
Yeah,
I've got a very good mate who's into his combis, and he'll tell you the difference. If you turn it over, he'll tell you the difference between like the split screen and the oval thing, and the one that had the triangle push out little window at the front.
Really?
The whole deal. Yeah.
Well, I'll let Michael down with his in-depth mechanical knowledge. To me, it's either auto or manual. It's pretty much my car knowledge in a nutshell.
So there's the accompanying certificate, the 7 ounce combi number 13 right there. What a great selection.
Thank you very much.
You're a very good curator.
I've done my very best, and I hope I've done Michael justice in his absence.
I think you've done a little better. But we won't tell him that. So head over to bullionnow.com.au. Here's the thing. I need to say, you can't buy these online.
This is correct.
This is
phone up.
You have to phone, you have to email sales at bullionnow.com.au, phone the 1300 number, which is
1300 84 84 10.
Cool. Or live chat as well. You can speak to Ben on live chat, but it's not available online because it's just too hard to put an individual sale page and all that. So inquire, and first come, first serve, spot plus 40% plus GST. Take your pick. And thanks for that, mate. I appreciate it.
No worries at all. Thanks for having me.
You're welcome. Of course, like, share, subscribe. And that's it from me.
And from me.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.